Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you facing Wi-Fi dead zones in your home? This video shows how to install the Excefore Wi-Fi Extender using the simple WPS button method. Follow the step-by-step instructions carefully and your extender will be connected within 2 minutes. Extend your internet coverage, improve speed, and enjoy better connectivity in every room. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, insert the Excefore Wi-Fi Extender into a wall outlet near your router. Turn it on if it has a power switch. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The power light should become solid, not blinking. If lights are not stable, wait until the boot process finishes. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It may be labeled WPS or have a counterclockwise arrows button symbol. Press the WPS button once. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking. You now have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. The extender's WPS/signal light will begin blinking. This means it is searching for your router. Wait about 30 to 90 seconds. Do not unplug the device during this time. When the signal/WPS light becomes solid blue/green LED means connection is successful. Red or blinking continuously means connection failed. If successful, the extender will copy your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, your Wi-Fi password or security settings. Usually, it creates a new network like your Wi-Fi name_ext. After successful connection, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.